Today we are going to talk about the Ujc704 crawler mobile jaw crusher. It's a super versatile and efficient machine.
Its feed inlet is 680 x 430 mm, so it can handle materials up to 380 mm in size. The crushed material can be 2080 mm. The finest output can reach less than 30. It can produce 20 to 60 tons of crushed material per hour. It's powered by a strong diesel engine which meets different emission standards.
Now let's learn how to operate it safely and correctly.
First, check all safety items, make sure everything is okay, then turn on the main power switch. Open the control box, and use the key to open the power of the control box. Press the manual button, then the start button to start the diesel engine. Tips: if you need to shut down in an emergency, you must press the red reset button to clear the alarm before restarting the engine. When starting, first start the engine. Let it preheat for 5 to 15 minutes. Lift the conveyor belt folding button until the conveyor belt stretches down. Start the conveyor belt button. Then start the iron remover. Start the crusher. Adjust the speed of the crusher. Then start the feeder. Adjust the speed of the feeder. Now your machine is working normally. When shutting down, turn off the crusher first, then turn off the feeder, and then turn off the iron remover and conveyor belt. Finally, turn off the engine and return the speed of the feeder and crusher to 0. First, turn on the switch on the remote control and press the start button. Press the number 1 and number 3 buttons at the same time to move forward. And press the number 2 and number 4 buttons at the same time to go back. Press the number 1 and number 4 buttons to turn left. Press the number 2 and number 3 buttons to turn right. Button 5 increases the throttle, button 6 decreases it.
If you want to adjust the size of the crushed material, let's do it step by step.
Use a special joystick to adjust the lever control feed size to the size you want. Tighten the bolt, and finally restore all control handles to a neutral position. Attention! It is necessary to ensure that the tensioning spring is in a compressed state to prevent the elbow plate from falling off or loosening.
Don't forget to do the daily checks and follow the maintenance schedule. That way the machine will work well and last longer.